and welcome to Crackling Views, a peaceful space created to help you unwind, slow down, and gently return to yourself. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Let your body find a posture that feels natural and supported. Allow the sounds around you to soften the edges of your day. Give yourself permission to be here, just as you are. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently let it out. Feel your shoulders release. Feel your jaw loosen. Let your tongue rest softly in your mouth. Let your hands relax wherever they are resting. With your next breath, imagine a warm, calming light above your head. As you exhale, let that light begin to drift downward, softening your forehead, releasing any lines of tension, relaxing the muscles around your eyes, softening your cheeks, loosening your mouth. Let this gentle warmth move down your neck. Feel the muscles along the sides and back slowly release. Let your throat soften. Let your shoulders drop a little more, as if a gentle weight has been lifted from them. Allow the warmth to flow down your upper arms. Feel it move through your elbows, into your forearms, into your hands, and all the way to your fingertips. Notice how your arms grow heavier, warmer, and deeply relaxed. Bring your attention to your chest. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. Notice the gentle expansion as you inhale, and the soft release as you exhale. Let each inhale bring in calm, and each exhale carry away tension. Let the warmth drift down your spine, easing each vertebra as it passes. Feel your upper back soften. Feel your mid-back release. Feel your lower back melt into the surface beneath you. Allow your stomach to soften. Let go of any tightness you might be holding there. Let your hips settle heavily and comfortably into place. Now feel the relaxation move through your legs, down your thighs, through your knees, into your calves, and all the way into your ankles and feet. Let your toes relax completely. Notice how your legs feel heavy, supported, and at ease. With every breath, your body becomes lighter, yet more grounded. Your mind becomes quieter, yet more aware. Feel the space around you soften. Feel the air grow still and gentle. Imagine a calm, protective cocoon of warmth surrounding your whole body. You are safe, you are supported, you are allowed to rest. Let your thoughts drift like clouds across a quiet sky. You don't need to chase them. You don't need to solve anything right now. If a thought appears, simply notice it and let it pass. Return again to the feeling of your breath, in and out, steady, soft, unforced. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to fix, nowhere else you need to be. Just breathe and allow yourself to simply be. Allow yourself to simply be. As you continue to rest here, allow your breath to stay slow, soft, and unhurried. There is nothing you need to change, nothing you need to adjust. Just let your body settle even more deeply into comfort. Let yourself sink a little further into stillness. Feel the warmth around you, steady and gentle, like a quiet glow wrapping softly around your whole body. Let that warmth drift through you, moving slowly, calmly, bringing ease to every part of you it touches. With each breath, feel it settling deeper into your muscles, your joints, your bones, creating a sense of calm that grows with every moment. Notice how your breath moves in and out. Smooth, unforced, natural. Let each inhale soften you. Let each exhale release anything still holding on. Allow your breathing to guide you deeper and deeper into rest, into quiet, into ease. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Let your thoughts drift like small embers rising from a fire, floating upward, glowing softly, fading gently into the air. You don't need to follow them. You don't need to hold them. Just let them pass and return to the softness of your breath. Feel your body growing heavier now, your arms resting deeply, your legs sinking into stillness, your whole body supported and safe. Allow yourself to melt into this moment, as if the surface beneath you is gently holding you in place, steady, warm, and calm. With every breath, feel yourself drifting a little further, a little softer, a little deeper into calm. There is no effort here, no expectation, just quiet, warmth, and ease. Let the gentle crackle of the fire guide you, steady, soft, comforting. Let it carry you deeper into stillness, deeper into peace, deeper into quiet, effortless rest. You are safe to let go, safe to drift, safe to rest. As you rest here now, allow your breath to remain soft and unhurried. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to change. Just let yourself continue drifting, slowly, gently, into deeper and deeper calm. Feel the warmth around you, steady and comforting, like a quiet glow holding you in a safe, peaceful space. Let that warmth settle deeper into your body, softening every muscle, loosening every thought, quieting every part of you that still feels awake. With each breath, feel yourself sinking a little further, a little softer, a little deeper into rest. Your body knows how to relax. Your mind knows how to let go. All you need to do is allow it. Let your shoulders grow heavier, your arms resting without effort, your hands soft and still. Let your legs sink into the surface beneath you, supported, steady, completely at ease. Feel your whole body melting into comfort, as if the warmth around you is gently holding you in place. If a thought appears, let it drift by like a small ember rising from a fire, glowing softly, floating upward, fading into the quiet air. You don't need to follow it. You don't need to hold it, just let it pass and return to the gentle rhythm of your breath. Feel the space around you growing quieter now. Feel the air becoming still and calm. Imagine the room softening, the light dimming, the world slowing down around you. Everything is peaceful. Everything is gentle. Everything is safe. With every breath, you drift a little deeper into stillness, into warmth, into rest. There is no rush, no pressure, no expectation, just this moment, soft and quiet, holding you with ease. Let your mind settle like snow falling slowly to the ground, quiet, steady, peaceful. Let your thoughts become softer, lighter, more distant, until they fade into the background like a whisper. Your body is heavy now. Your breathing is slow. Your thoughts are soft and far away. You are safe to let go, safe to drift, safe to rest deeply. Allow yourself to sink into this calm. Let the warmth of the moment wrap around you. Let your breath guide you deeper and deeper into quiet, effortless rest. There is nothing you need to hold on to, nothing you need to stay awake for. Just let yourself drift. If sleep comes, let it take you gently. If your mind wanders, let it wander softly. You are supported, you are safe, you are held by warmth and stillness. Let the gentle crackle of the fire carry you like a soft lullaby in the background, steady, warm, comforting. Let it guide you deeper into peace, deeper into quiet, deeper into deep, restorative sleep. You have done enough for today. You have given enough. You have carried enough. Now it is time to rest, time to soften, time to let go. Feel your breath slow even more, your body sinking even deeper, your thoughts drifting even further away. Let the warmth around you hold you, support you, and gently guide you towards sleep. Thank you for spending this moment with Crackling Views. May your night be calm, your rest be deep, and your dreams be gentle. Allow yourself to drift now, slowly, quietly, peacefully, into sleep.